Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by removing any obvious contaminants so the repellent bonds correctly. Use 70% isopropyl alcohol on a microfiber towel to degrease the windshield, then follow with a clay bar and lubricant to strip bonded grime. Once done, mask the surrounding trim and rubber with painter's tape so the coating won't hit paint or plastics. Make sure the glass is completely dry and cool to the touch before proceeding. Small moisture pockets will ruin adhesion. Next, apply the hydrophobic product evenly, whether a commercial glass sealant or high-quality ceramic glass coating. Work in shaded, cool conditions and do small 12 by 12-inch sections so you can control coverage. Put 2 to 3 drops on a foam applicator and spread in overlapping circular motions, then buff off excess with a clean microfiber after the manufacturer's dwell time. Make sure to follow cure instructions precisely. Rushing this step leads to uneven film. Finish by letting the coating cure fully, then buffing any haze with a fresh, plush microfiber towel to restore clarity. Once cured, test the bead performance at low speed or with a hose. Water should sheet and bead off cleanly. If performance is weak, add a very thin second coat after the full cure window. If you get streaks or cloudy patches, strip the coating back with isopropyl alcohol, redo the clay step, and reapply. Improper prep causes most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.